Kitchen remodels can be complex, with many moving parts and potential delays. If you follow these 7 steps carefully, you significantly increase your chances of finishing on time without costly surprises. First, define clear goals for your remodel: layout, materials, finishes, and what stays versus what changes. Before demolition, ensure all specs are chosen for lighting, cabinets, appliances, and flooring. Create a detailed project plan that outlines phases like demolition, rough-in, installation, and finishing, along with dates or estimated durations. Order long lead items like cabinets, custom pieces, and appliances early to avoid waiting on parts. Next, follow a logical order for the work: demo, rough-in, structure, cabinetry, countertops, and finishing touches. Rushing or mixing phases increases the risk of rework, so stick to the sequence. If appliances are part of the remodel, pick them first, as the layout may depend on their dimensions. Avoid making major layout changes late in the project unless absolutely necessary, as these can cause big delays and budget overruns. Communication is key. Keep open, frequent contact with your contractor or design-build team. Review progress, anticipate potential issues, and confirm next step timing to catch problems early. Define roles and responsibilities clearly to reduce confusion and delays. If your kitchen is going offline during the remodel, plan ahead for a temporary cooking and prep area. This will help you get by without full kitchen access and reduce stress during the process. Warn household members about the disruption in timeline to manage expectations early. Stay organized by tracking materials, finishes, and deliveries with a checklist or spreadsheet. This prevents waiting on a single missing part for the finish line. Double-check measurements before ordering cabinetry, countertops, and flooring to avoid mistakes that mean delays. Confirm lead times for custom items before committing, and build buffer time into your timeline. Recognize that remodels often face surprises like uneven floors or delivery delays. It's wise to add a time contingency buffer to your schedule to accommodate these surprises. Avoid setting overly aggressive deadlines. Realistic goals help ensure quality isn't sacrificed. Before final touches, walk through with your contractor to check everything is level and fits properly. Catch any issues before the final sign-off to avoid last-minute problems. Prepare for handover early by cleaning up and removing debris to avoid dragging the remodel past the finish date. In conclusion, a kitchen remodel doesn't have to derail your life. With solid planning, clear communication, smart sequencing, and a buffer for the unexpected, you can stay on schedule. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and download our remodel checklist to help plan your kitchen project.